Hello everyone, my name is Alina. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to learn how to make these daisy earrings. They are flowery earrings. They look very cute and elegant. The beads we are going to use for them, it's Superduo, so I named them Daisy Duo. The materials we need for this project are Superduo beads, 4mm crystal Czech round beads. They are different from pearls. I will explain to you in a minute. 8/0 Toho seed beads, 15/0 Toho seed beads, 2 ear wires, Fireline 6-pound crystal, and a beading needle. Before we start, let me explain more about Superduos and the 4mm crystal Czech rounds. The Superduos are oval-shaped beads. They have 2 holes. Let me zoom in so you can see better. They have 2 holes. They have a pinched oval shape that lines up really nice in bead weaving and stringing designs. And the 4mm crystal Czech rounds, they are not pearls actually. They are slightly smaller than a 4mm pearl. I think I have a 4mm pearl here somewhere. There. As you can see, they are smaller than a real pearl, than a 4mm pearl, a little bit smaller. Oh, I think I have a pearl mixed here. So today we're going to use this Czech round beads. So let's get started. Start by adding around 20 inch of thread or 60 centimeter, and we're going to pick up a Superduo, doesn't matter which hole, a 4mm bead, if I can just get it, and another Superduo like this. Then you're going to put it at the end, leave a little bit of tail, not very long. I'm exiting this Superduo. I'm going back through the bead, just the bead. And now, as you can see, the thread is here. I am going on the opposite side. It's like we're circling the Superduo with the thread. You end up with something like this. Now we're going to pick up 4 Superduos, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm exiting this Superduo. I will go in the next one on the inside hole. Let me zoom in. There you go. Here, this is where I put my thread before, like this. Now pick up 4 Superduo, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go through the next Superduo inside hole, just like this. And we make our first daisy, Superduo daisy. In order to reinforce this, I will go through all the inside holes of the Superduos, the holes close to the 4mm bead, just to reinforce it. Like this. Couple more. No? There. Now you can connect the needle to this thread and sew it in a little bit so you can cut it off. Now we're going to add the 8/0 seed beads. Gorgeous color. I love these galvanized colors. In order to do that, we have to position ourselves on the other side of the Superduo on this hole. So I'm exiting here, it doesn't matter. On this Superduo, I'm just going to go back on the upper hole like this. Now I'm going to pick up an Toho seed bead and going through the next Superduo outside hole. Just like this. Pick up another Toho, exiting here, going through the next Superduo outside hole. And we have to do this with 9 beads, 9 Toho. This is my third one. 3, another Toho, 4. So next week we're going to make the bracelet with the same pattern, the same daisy. It's a very nice design and it's very quick. So how many we put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 more. Let me zoom. Exiting here, going through the next Superduo outside hole. Another one. One more. Oops. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Time to add the ear hook. I have my 15 seed beads here. I will start by adding 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. Then I will add my ear hook. Just like this. And I will go through the last 15 that I just put. Let me show you. This is the last one, so I will thread my needle here. Maybe it's better if I flip it like this. Don't worry, it will look good in a second. Then pick up 4 more 15 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. I'm exiting this Superduo. I will go through the next Superduo, just like this. Watch out for the thread. And there you have it. If you want to reinforce it, your thread is coming here on the outside hole. You go through the inside hole, just like this. You can go through both Superduos, and then go back through the outside hole, so I can position myself next to the seed beads, and I will go one more time through all the seed beads like this 4 one, the last one here from up, through the loophole, coming back through this bead, the fifth one. Yeah, it's a bit tight, like this. And the other four. If you want, you can reinforce again the outside of the daisy by going through all the toes and the Superduos to be nice and tight. Okay, and there you have it. I think they are very nice and very cute. There is another option of design. You can choose to put the seed beads, the 15 starting from this toe, and make it as a V shape. It will start from here. You add a couple of seed beads, 15 and from this toe, it will be like a V shape. It's up to you if you want to make a different design here. Now repeat the whole steps to make the second earring. And next week I will see you again so we can make the daisy bracelet. Take care everyone. See you soon.